Have you ever wondered about the ultimate fate of our vast and mysterious universe? Today, we delve into a mind-boggling question that will leave you astounded. Join me as we unravel the enigmatic phenomenon known as the Big Freeze and explore how our universe will meet its end. Before we dive into the depths of the Big Freeze, let's ponder this. What if I told you that the universe's destiny is far from a fairy tale ending? The universe, with its galaxies, stars, and planets, is a vast expanse that has witnessed the unfolding of cosmic history. But even the mightiest of entities have a finite existence. As we contemplate the future, the Big Freeze emerges as a prominent contender for the ultimate cosmic fate. The Big Freeze is a concept that delves into the distant future of our universe. As we speak, galaxies are drifting away from each other, caught in the relentless expansion of space. The driving force behind this expansion is dark energy, a mysterious entity that dominates the universe's destiny. So, let's dive into the details and understand how this chilling scenario unfolds. In this cosmic saga, the universe continues to stretch and expand gradually, cooling down its components. Galaxies drift farther apart. Stars exhaust their fuel. And even black holes slowly evaporate away through Hawking radiation. As time goes on, the cosmos transforms into a vast and dark expanse, its energy dispersed, its warmth lost forever. But here is the twist: the Big Freeze doesn't stop there. In this icy era, the remnants of the universe will consist of isolated particles wandering aimlessly through the cosmic void. As countless eons pass, even these particles will cease to exist, succumbing to entropy, a force that engulfs the universe, leading to ever-increasing disorder. Now, you might be wondering if this cold and lonely ending is set in stone. Well, let me tell you that the Big Freeze is based on our current understanding of the universe's expansion and dark energy. But as we explore the cosmos and unlock its secrets, new discoveries may shape our cosmic destiny in unexpected ways. In conclusion, the fate of our universe is a cosmic enigma that sparks wonder and curiosity. The Big Freeze serves as a reminder of the ever-changing and evolving nature of our cosmos. It encourages us to remain inquisitive, to ask the big questions, and to embrace the unknown. If this exploration of the Big Freeze has left you captivated, I encourage you to watch the other intriguing videos in our What's Through Universe Could End playlist. Each video unveils a unique perspective on the universe's end, offering you a mesmerizing experience through the wonders of astronomy. Don't miss out on the opportunity to expand your cosmic knowledge. Subscribe to our channel and join our community of astronomy enthusiasts. Stay curious, keep exploring, and let's embark on this extraordinary journey through the cosmos together.